Let's change the layout of a gallery application using the Nabble Application Markup Language. I just created a sample gallery on the Nabble website and uploaded a few pictures. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the sidebar on the right, and we can also put some controls here on the top. Just like on the support forum, we have those controls here on the top. We can do the same with the gallery. So the first thing we have to do is go to the NAML code of the gallery. I'm gonna open this code on another tab so that we can still keep the gallery open. Here it has this apply app namespace call, which puts the app namespace on the stack. I'm going to write an article soon about this, so let's click on this view gallery page macro, which is the macro that actually prints the page. And if you look at the body part, we have a column layout here that divides the screen into two columns, one with 70% width and the other 30%. This is exactly how the gallery page is divided. We have one column for the pictures, one column for the sidebar. So we can change this code, but before changing it, let's go to the support forum and let's get the NAML code that prints those links on the top. Okay, I'm gonna click on the link. We can go to this view standard page macro, and we have those links on the top exactly here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this piece of code. We can go back to the gallery and start editing. In the beginning of the body block, we can paste those that piece of NAML. We don't need the topics link, so I'm gonna remove it. It only makes sense for forums. And then I'm gonna move the first column of the gallery page, which is the column that prints those pictures, out of the column layout, and then we can remove the column layout. Okay, so let's save this change and then go back to the gallery page to see how it looks. Let's refresh. Okay, you can see the controls on the top. The sidebar is also gone. But we still have a lot of white space here. We can increase the number of columns and it's gonna look much better. Going back to the code, we can click on this gallery table macro here. This macro prints each cell. It has a loop that goes that prints each row, and for each row we call this gallery table row macro here. So it has 3 cells, 3 columns, each column 33% width. So let's change this. We want 5 columns, so we can use 20% for each of them. Okay, we need 2 more columns. Now let me copy this code and then paste here. 1, 2. Okay, we have 5 columns. Each column has 20% width. Save the changes. Okay, you can see here 5 columns. Let's go back to the gallery page, refresh it. We can see 5 columns now, and that's it. Thanks for watching.